Hi everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to give you a quick setup that I saw today, which was a client request. It's PDD, which is that Pin Duo Duo. It is a Chinese company. They're an agriculture technology platform. So I don't know a whole lot about it, but I do like the setup here, and I also like that we are above the 200. We are above the 50. So here's the 200, here's the 50, the 5 and 13 are on the buy. So that is a royal setup. And I do have a nice cluster zone for you here. If we go past that, I would definitely get out. But what I have for you is 158.25 to 160.33. We have bounced and failed off of the 50% there. Let me see what we've got as far as a retracement here. Looks like we have pulled back to the 618, which is fine. That could be a zone of risk for you if you would like to use that instead of the original setup zone, since we are about 4 points from it. On the way up, though, I do want you to be cautious as we get into resistance. It looks like it is coming in about 181.70 to 181.81. And what is the next question we ask ourselves? We ask ourselves, has it triggered? And it looks like it definitely has off of that setup zone. So you may want to go down to a lower time frame to see if we are triggering off the 618 if you are not already in that trade. So here is your original setup. Here are some retracements that you can use as pullbacks, and then we've got that resistance on the way up. Your target is going to be 195.19 and 204.71. All right, everybody, I hope you are having a fantastic day, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.